Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So what I want to share with you guys today is how to insert additional G-code into your SolidCAM project itself. So let's say you just want to insert some previous code in there, or maybe you just want the tool or the table to come towards you to do a part check or anything like that. Well, it's very simple inside SolidCAM. So on the operation that you want it to add it under, just right click on that operation and go to Insert File, and then we'll just go to my desktop and I have a little sample file right here. So we'll just say G-code insert and open. So now when I go to post out this code, it's actually going to post out this code along with it right here. So if I double click on it, it will actually open it up in my text file right here. And if I go to G-code out everything, I'll scroll down here and you'll see where the G-code has been inserted in for us. So just want to kind of share that tip of the day. If you guys have some specific code that you want to insert into your program, like I said, if you're trying to check something, or maybe after each time it bores out a hole, you want to do a manual check where it does a M00 and the table comes towards you to check that bore, that is the best way to go about it, or insert any kind of G-code in there as well. So just want to share that with you guys for the tip of the day, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening.